5 reasons why affiliate marketing can be your ticket to financial freedom. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you something that has changed my life for the better: affiliate marketing. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's basically when you promote other people's products or services and earn a commission for every sale or action that you generate. Sounds simple, right? Well, it is, but it also takes some work and dedication to succeed. But trust me, it's worth it. In this video, I'm going to give you 5 reasons why affiliate marketing can be your ticket to financial freedom, even if you're still in school like me. Let's get started. 1. One of the best things about affiliate marketing is that you don't need a lot of money to start. Unlike other online businesses that require you to buy inventory, pay for hosting, or hire staff, affiliate marketing only requires you to have a website or a social media platform where you can share your affiliate links. You can even start with a free blog or a YouTube channel if you want. Of course, you'll need to invest some money in tools and training to grow your business, but you can do that gradually as you earn more commissions. 2. Another great thing about affiliate marketing is that you can work from anywhere and anytime. As long as you have an internet connection and a device to access it, you can run your business from anywhere in the world. You can also set your own schedule and work whenever you want. This gives you a lot of flexibility and freedom to balance your schoolwork, hobbies, and social life. You don't have to worry about commuting, dressing up, or dealing with annoying bosses or coworkers. You're your own boss and you make your own rules. 3. One of the most fun and rewarding aspects of affiliate marketing is that you can choose your niche and passion. A niche is a specific topic or market that you focus on in your business. For example, my niche is personal development and I promote products and services that help people improve their mindset, habits, and skills. You can choose any niche that interests you and that has a demand for solutions. You can also choose products and services that you personally use and love, so that you can share your honest opinions and experiences with your audience. This way, you can enjoy what you do and provide value to others. 4. One of the most amazing benefits of affiliate marketing is that you can earn passive income. Passive income is money that you earn without having to actively work for it. For example, when you create a blog post or a video that contains your affiliate links, you can earn commissions from those links for months or even years after you publish them. This means that you can make money while you sleep, study, or play. Of course, this doesn't mean that you can just sit back and relax. You still need to create new content, promote your links, and maintain your website or platform. But once you do the initial work, you can reap the rewards for a long time. 5. The last reason why affiliate marketing can be your ticket to financial freedom is that you can scale your business and income. Unlike a regular job where you have a fixed salary or an hourly rate, affiliate marketing has no limit on how much money you can make. The more traffic you generate, the more sales you make, the more commissions you earn. You can also leverage different strategies and platforms to reach more people and increase your conversions. For example, you can use email marketing, social media marketing, SEO, paid ads, etc. You can also join multiple affiliate programs and promote different products and services in your niche. The sky's the limit. So there you have it. 5 reasons why affiliate marketing can be your ticket to financial freedom. Affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme or a scam. It's a legitimate online business model that anyone can learn and succeed with if they're willing to put in the work and follow the right steps. I hope this post has inspired you to give affiliate marketing a try and see for yourself how awesome it is. If you want to learn more about how to start your own affiliate marketing business from scratch, check out this free training that I highly recommend. Click the link in the description to check out an affiliate marketing program that has worked very well for me. It has worked because I do something every day to build this business. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment.